What if machines could think, learn, and even create art? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a tech newbie or just curious about the future, I'm here to guide you through the basics of AI, and trust me, it's more exciting than you might think. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is when computers or machines are designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer to see patterns, make decisions, or even understand language. There are a few cool branches of AI you'll hear about a lot. Machine learning, which helps computers learn from data. Neural networks, which mimic how our brains work. And natural language processing, which lets machines understand and generate human language. All of these work together to power the smart tech around us. But where do we actually see AI in the real world? Well, it's everywhere. In healthcare, AI helps doctors analyze scans and diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate streets, avoid obstacles, and even make split-second decisions. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, they use AI to recognize your voice and answer your questions in real time. And let's not forget creative tools. AI is helping artists compose music, generate images, and even write stories. It's not just about robots or science fiction. AI is quietly woven into our everyday lives, making things smarter, safer, and sometimes a lot more fun. But how does AI actually learn? It all starts with data. Imagine you want a computer to recognize cats in photos. You feed it thousands of cat pictures, each one is a piece of the puzzle. The AI looks for patterns like whiskers or pointy ears, and creates a model to predict new images. This process is called training. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. Over time, it can spot a cat in even the trickiest photo. It's all about patterns, learning, and making better predictions as it goes. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI gets smarter, there are big questions to answer like how to avoid bias in algorithms or how to use AI ethically and safely. Society needs to think about fairness, transparency, and regulation. But here's the exciting part. The future of AI isn't just about machines, it's about collaboration. Humans and AI working together can solve problems we never dreamed possible. So, if you're fascinated by technology and eager to learn more, keep exploring. AI is changing the future, and you can be a part of it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into technology. Your journey into the world of artificial intelligence is just beginning. See you next time.